Hey guys, it's Renee from Revv Evolution, and I'm down here at the Concorde Hotel for something which you guys probably missed for the last couple of years. Buffets. That's right. I'm down here at the Spices Cafe for the Harvest of the Sea buffet dinner. Alright, it's gonna be a great spread of some really fantastic seafood. So, what are we waiting for? Let's find out more.
Right folks, on top of all that fabulous food we had earlier, you also have a choice of lobster with either cheese or mentaiko or abalone, and also free flow of crabs, alright? So that's all the fabulous food you can enjoy right here at the Harvest.